Guys, let's go on a virtual tour of my kindergarten classroom. Okay, so first off, there is my Meet the Teacher video. That's my welcome video. I'm not going to play the whole thing.
My name is Mrs.Kaleigh, and I'm...
That's very, very embarrassing. It lasted almost a minute because I got carried away, but it's there. All right, so there's that link. Okay, now let's start over here. This is my alphabet link. I really, really like this website. Maybe it's ABC, yeah, that's how I'm pronouncing it. All right, it's gonna take a second to load because my Wi-Fi is weird. I don't know if it's I don't know if this video is picking up the computer audio. I'm hoping it will. I'll explain it just in case. All right, so this is the alphabet order. You can change the layout up here. You can go from alphabet order. You can go to the order that the letters are in if they're on a computer keyboard. Let's change it back though.
ABC layout.
All right, yeah, okay. So right now we have it on letter sounds. When you click a letter, it's going to tell you the sound that the letter makes. If you change it to letter names, then every time you click on a letter, it's going to tell you the name of that letter. Okay, I thought that was pretty cool. I liked it. It's really cute. All right, this is another content link. This is about telling time. Put that in with my math. Okay, this is pretty cute. So basically, you just get the hands on the clock and you just change it to whatever you want to. Just put it right there, and then you press show, and it'll tell you exactly what time it is. That's so cute to me. All right, so that's my second content link. Here's my link for ELL students. It's a matching game. Okay, so here's all of our cards. You choose a card.
Pants.
Okay, so that has a picture of pants. Okay, so then you would try to look for a card that had the word pants on it. Let's just see what we find.
Coat.
Well, that's a picture of a coat. We got it wrong. But it's just a matching game. It has the word and the picture that goes with it. So that's cute. So that's the third content link. Let's go to these books for our fourth. I love Starfall. Okay, I love doing this when I was in elementary school because there's 15 different stories. And all the words, they sound all the words out in a sentence. Then they read the whole sentence together. They read all the sentences that are on that page, and then they flip to the next page and do the same thing throughout the whole story. I love it. I think it's great. So, let's see. We've done 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 content links right now. Here's a science one. I didn't link this one to a particular game. It's just a page of science games. That's not going to pull up because of my Wi-Fi. But they're on PBS Kids, and they were all cute. But I have some more science stuff, so we won't worry about that. If you click on my lamp, I know this is not a content link, but it's really cute. If you click on my lamp, it takes you to a Dr. Jean song called Rise and Shine, because the shine of the lamp. I was being witty. Anyway, we all love Dr. Jean, so that was cute to me. All right, now this is one about different cultures. It's a video called Where You From? It gets stuck in my head. I still don't know if this is picking up the audio. If not, just go find it and look at it because it's a really cute song. But yep, that's which content link is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a 6th one. All right, let's do the 7th. This is a read aloud of The Cat in the Hat, which is one of my favorites because I'm in love with Dr. Seuss. I'm determined.
The Cat in the Hat.
So it's like 11 minutes long, so we won't do that. But yeah, I'm obsessed with Cat in the Hat, and I want to decorate my classroom with Cat in the Hat stuff one day. So that was our 7th content link. Here's another content link. It's the 8th. It's about weather. I kind of put that in with my science. That's a 2-minute song throughout the video. the weather changes. The kids are at a window and the weather keeps changing. And they're like, what's the weather like today? Today it's raining. What's the weather like today? Well, today it's sunny outside. So that was really cute to me. Okay, I'm excited about this this game. This one's for shapes. So I guess this will be our 9th content link, I think. Link and think, that rhymes. This is called dot to dot shapes. I really liked it. Okay, so first you go from 1, and then you connect it to 2. And then you put next. And then we're going to make a triangle. You take the 1 to the 2. All right? You have to click again. The 2 to the 3. And we're going to finish it up. 3 to the 1. Triangle. Okay, thought that was cute. And then you press next and keep going with different shapes, but that's just a little preview of it. Okay, so now I have a link for each of my alphabet for each of my letters on my board. So let's see. Was that our 9th? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that was our 9th. All right, this is our 10th content link. I'm feeling scatterbrained. All right, they're all on tracing, numbers and letters and stuff. Let's see what this one is. Yeah,
Numbers
this was my favorite.
letters.
I really
What
like
do you want to
this.
trace? Capital letters, lowercase letters, numbers.
All right, so you choose. What do you want to trace? A capital letter, lowercase letter, or a number? Let's just go with capital letter.
Rock, pop, classical, island.
Okay, it gives you all these different kind of like music genres, and you pick one. I'm gonna pick rock.
Trace the letters following the dotted lines. Start at the arrows
Okay.
all the way to the end.
I still don't know if it's getting my audio on here. This is wild. All right, so as you trace, if the audio is not picking up, as I trace, it plays music. Oh yeah, I really liked it. I would have loved that as a child because I love music. All right, so done with that. All right, here's another one. Let's choose the B. This one it takes a long time to pull up. Or it did earlier when I was looking at it, but we'll try it. It's another tracing game. We'll just give it a little second. All right. Tracing. Okay, so you go and you choose, you have to unlock all the different letters. So first, of course it starts with A. They bring it in. That's cute. Okay, so it shows you where to go and you just trace it. So there, we've made our A. I thought that was really cute. And then you do the lowercase version of it. All right, but we won't keep you on that for too long. All right, there's another tracing game, another alphabet tracing game. Let's see. Let's give a little preview of that one. Oh, ooh, I like this because you can choose your color. Let's choose blue. I like blue. And then you just trace. Ooh, that's ugly. And then you just trace. Woo woo. There we go. Yay. And then you can go to different letters. So you can press next. All right. So we've done our shapes. Have we done our shapes? Have we done our shapes? Yeah, we did our shapes. I think we did our shapes. Let's check. Oh yeah, the dot to dot shapes. Yes, we did. Never mind. All right. Okay. So this is another content link. It's about colors. I looked so long for that color banner. All right. This is on Starfall again. Old Faithful. So basically, you just start with red. Let's see if it'll pull up for me. All right. Start off with red. You press play and it'll say red. Or whatever.
Red.
Yep. Red. And then it'll show the teddy bear drawing an apple with the color red. Yep.
Red.
Okay. And then you press next and it goes through all the other different colors. You just have to go one at a time to do it. Okay. So let's see what else we can find. Another content link. The numbers. Let's go to our number chart. This is another ABCDI game. They're so cute. I like it. It's number bingo. All right, let's press play. All right, number bingo. Press go. Let's just do 0 to 10. Let's do a small one.
2, 3.
All right, so if this is not picking up my audio like I'm hoping it will, it just said 3. Okay, so they'll tell you the number, and then you'll go and you'll choose whatever number 3 is. All right, there we go. And now it just said 7, so we'll go and choose a 7. And it'll tell you if you're right or wrong at the bottom. So that's pretty cute to me. All right, let's choose on our little 2 plus 3 board thing. This is another ABC Yeah game. Apparently, I just really like ABC Yeah. It is cute. This is a birthday candle count open game. It's going to take its precious time. Give me the awkward silence. All right, let's press play.
Birthday candle counting.
Okay.
Click on the candles to count them. Then select the correct number. How old is Billy Blueberry?
Okay, so it says, how old is Billy Blueberry? You have to count the candles on the cake to find out.
1,
1,
2,
2, 3. 3 balloons come up. And then you have to choose. Was it 4, 5, or 3? How many candles do you have on top of the cake? Well, we have 3, so let's choose a 3. 3! Okay. And the game just keeps going like that. It's cute to me. All right, where's another content link? Let's find one. Patterns, right here, with our blocks, our pattern blocks. Another ABC, yeah, what a coincidence. Oh, this is cute. It's called Fuzzbugs. Fuzzbugs patterns. I think this is absolutely precious. Okay. So,
Complete the pattern.
you just complete the pattern.
Bugs at the bottom.
They have light, dark, so you would choose a light and then a dark. And that completes our pattern. And you just keep doing that. It'll go to another set, another pattern, and then, you'll complete that one. So, let's see. We skipped our flower pot. Our flower pot takes us to a gardening game. It's called Garden Shop. It's on Starfall.
Help us grow a flower.
I played this in elementary.
click on the door.
So you click on the door. Okay. So it says, we will plant a, and then you choose whatever flower you want to plant. There's a bluebell, a red rose, snapdragon, white daisy, and a pink poppy. When I was little, I chose pink poppy. So, but you can choose whatever you want to. And then it takes you throughout the game, and you plant your seeds and grow your little garden. All right. So let's see what else we haven't covered yet. There's my Bitmoji. She's just there. Oh, this is just Starfall in general. I know that we were supposed to do it to make links that were to specific games and activities, but I just added some extra links just because, I don't know, I felt like kids need it. So this is not counted in my 15. I just wanted to put it on there. So it takes you to the kindergarten section, and pre-K, the kindergarten and pre-K section of Starfall, and it has all the different games and activities to do. All right. Now our blocks down here. Our blocks takes to a game. Let's see. This isn't one of my 15 content links either, just because it's not a specific game, but I just added it on there because I just thought it was cute and I thought it needed to be there. We have our radio. Our radio takes us to Dr. Jean's YouTube channel. I'm running out of time now, so let's go to my calendar real quick. I love this calendar because, well, for one, it's on Starfall, and I love Starfall. And it takes you to the exact day every time you pull it up. Like, it changes. October.
It's October 2020.
All right, so it says October
Let's
2020.
get a calendar.
and then it'll show you the exact day, and it'll say the days of the week. I'm running out of time now, but this has been fantastic.